Well, the beach has been going through some minor changes lately. Some not so minor changes. This is the entrance right here. You know the parking lot. Where's Bob Barker? ¿Cómo está Bob Barker? ¿Dónde está Bob Barker? ¿Dónde? Ay, ay, ay. ¿Dónde está Bob Barker? Oh, there's Bob Barker here.
Hey, bro. They said this is sent a message yesterday.
Yeah.
They say be aware because you guys are next.
You guys are coming down, eh? Wow.
That's why pretty much we have like a half sales price.
Oh, okay.
You want to come in and check out real quick?
Maybe on the way back I will. What's your name?
Solomon.
Solomon.
You're welcome.
Yeah, how do you think my day's going? Not too bad. ¿Qué lo que? ¿Todo bien? Well, the low season's just wrapping up. We're seeing more and more tourism and snowbirds and the regular flow of Sosua slowly coming back. Personally, I love low season. But the vendors, if you're selling anything, they want to see high season and they want to see a good one. I hope we have a good one. I think everyone's kind of expecting it'll be a little bit better than last year was. We'll see. Economic conditions in the other countries are always an impact here. Doesn't get much better than this. Hola. Ven acá. Ven acá. Oh, we got a little thundering going on over there. Blue sky over here. Storm clouds over here. I'm down at 109 Larimar. It's my boy Christian and Martin. So that's it. Wednesday afternoon, I don't know, around 2 o'clock down on the beach. Hola.
Alrighty.
Okay, we're here on Ceua Beach. This is right at the beginning of the Ceua Beach here. And as I showed you earlier, they're tearing stuff down like crazy. And this is Solomon. This place is going to be knocked down in a couple days.
Week or so before they take us completely out. But I mean, we have a clearance, like pretty much everything is way less than what it's on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, lots of stuff is gone already, eh?
Yep. The body wraps, dresses, some tops.
Okay.
See?
Lots of jewelry. Smoking pipes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Look, and look at this one. You see? This one, you put the pot over there, you light it up, boop. Right here, boof. Look at this one, see? See? Let me see. Lots of pipes. Look at this one. This one's nice too. Oh yeah, see? You put
okay.
Nice.
You got cigars.
Cigars, yeah, all types of Dominican, Cuban. Oh, t-shirts, tank tops.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at the little ones. See? Handmade.
Everything must go.
Yes, everything must go. Oh, look at the coconut. This is made out of coconut shells.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, coconut shells. Look at the dresses. I got boys and girls. Got the hatch paintings. Take them up the frame, hold them up. Look at this. This is nice. Look.
Oh, backpacks.
Yeah,
For
backpacks.
the kids.
Yep.
Nice.
And then we got all the woodwork over here too. Yep. Look, all this is mahogany. Woodwork.
There's some nice carvings.
Yep.
Who does the paintings?
It's through the blind foundation, blind people foundation.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Who paints them though?
Who paints them?
Yeah.
But the guy's granddaughter, like his grandkids, they do everything.
Oh, okay.
But the guys, he's blind. They started doing it. Now they have like a bunch of people doing sculpting.
Okay.
But the paintings are pretty much the grandkids. We've been working with them for like years. It's a blind people foundation.
Okay.
That's for the door.
Yeah, wind chimes.
Yep. Oh yeah. We're like right across from the bathroom.
Right. Okay, easy to find.
As soon as you come in through the casino, right across from the bathroom, shop number 8.
Alright.
Solid.
Solomon.
Yep. There's no way to, can't go wrong.
This one's gone on the corner too, man. It's been a while. I haven't been down here for a few weeks, I guess. It's strange to see what used to be standing here just gone. Like wild. Absolutely wild. What is it they say? Nay, wait. Can't stop progress, I guess. Hola, ven acá, ven acá.